There was pretty good rain around the valley earlier today. It has since moved out, and it's a quiet night across the area. We're tracking one little shower right on the north edge of South Padre Island, and other than that, there is nothing else out there. And probably not going to see a whole lot tonight into tomorrow. I think after this, things probably begin the drying out process. And yes, spotty showers are a possibility, but we don't expect anything widespread anytime soon. You look at that radar, it has really gone quiet across the region, and we just don't see much of a chance for much rain at all, other than maybe an isolated shower the next couple of days. Here's a look at future track, and it suggests that tonight things are pretty quiet, and then tomorrow you just see stuff on the sea breeze. Probably 20% coverage, something like that, where today was certainly more than that. Wednesday, same kind of thing. Isolated showers, but not a whole lot of activity. And you keep going to Thursday, really isolated stuff, not much more. So 20%, 20%. 20%. It's even less than that by the time we get to Friday, and then in the weekend it may come up just a little bit again, but we're going to average about 20% the next few days. And with that, temperatures go up a little bit. The normal's 89. That's where we were today. Tomorrow 91, Wednesday 91, and Thursday about 92. The rest of Texas is what it looks like right now. Mid-70s across the entire state, with the exception of us at 83, but 75 San Antonio, Austin 76, up in North Texas 75. That little system we've been tracking for the last 10 days right along the Texas coast in the process of going away tonight. What that means is a big ridge in the upper atmosphere is just going to spread out and kind of take over all of the deep south, South Texas, all the way over to Florida. And with that, the only thing we watch is the upper level winds are out of the southwest. And that means any front that comes down can't get through that. It tries to go underneath those strong winds and just can't do it. So a front up here just gets stuck and moves eastward and not southward. So we just don't have any fronts coming anytime soon. We do have some tropical moisture that's here, and that's why we continue to see that isolated shower threat, but that's really about the extent of it over the next several days. Travel plans tomorrow up by 11 o'clock in the morning. Most of the state's back in the 70s, even 80s. Up in Amarillo at 69 degrees, and temperatures some places may hit 90, but most of the state will stay a little cooler. Here's the satellite of the Atlantic, and we still have Leslie. Refuses to go away. This is what the models do with it. Take it to the south, then back to the north, then back to the northeast, and keep it out in the open Atlantic. Not a threat to anybody. At the coast here, this is what's happening. Winds out of the southeast 10 to 15 knots, a moderate chop. UV continues to be very high. There's an isolated shower tomorrow, high maybe 90 at the coast. So tonight an evening shower, but those have since gone away. Partly cloudy, a low of 75. Tomorrow back up to 91. Spotty afternoon showers. Your chance of rain tomorrow stands at about 20%. Same thing for Wednesday and Thursday, and we're keeping that isolated shower in there all the way through the forecast period. Nothing big, but each day, one or two places in the valley will probably pick up a shower, maybe even a brief thunder shower. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.